Hey guys, I'm going to show you new 7 websites that you can use to make between $50 and $400 per day, depending on the platform that you choose, or depending if you decide on to use more than one of them at the same time. And at the end, I'm going to show you the most profitable one that I use and that I love to use to really make easy and a lot of money, between $300 and $400 per day using this platform. So stick around until that. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. And yes, I pretty much use these websites on a daily basis, whether it's through YouTube or various different platforms or websites that I create. And if you're new to the channel and you're looking for ways to make money online, perhaps boost your social media presence, or even get motivation for your online business or even your traditional business, subscribe to the channel as I upload daily, or at least I try to. Sometimes I miss a day or two, but I make up for it. And yeah, let's get straight into it. And the first platform that I want to show you is Canva.com. And now I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard of Canva.com, but perhaps haven't heard how you can actually make money with it. Now this platform basically allows you to create graphic design, blogs, business cards, adverts, all of that sort of thing for free with a simple drag and drop creator. And so, for example, one thing you can do is you can create really professional thumbnails and sell that on a platform like Fiverr.com between $1 and $5. And you never know, you might get between 10 and 20 customers per day. So that's between $50 and $100 per day, just selling YouTube thumbnails, for example. I mean, you can go have a look on Canva.com. You'll see on the homepage there's a creator design. You can see all the different templates they have, whether it's from banners, Instagram posts, flyers. So you could manage people's Instagram pages, for example, and create really professional posts. You can create email headers, email campaigns with no knowledge at all, with a basic, simple drag and drop system. And you can see, if you go towards the end, you'll see YouTube channel, banner art, YouTube thumbnails, and that sort of thing. So also a logo. So you can basically brand channels for people on, as I say, the platform like Fiverr.com, sell your channel art and really make some good money. So you can see, for example, I create my YouTube banner, some of my thumbnails that I was messing around with on this platform, and it's really easy to use. And I mean, it's so easy to create really professional graphic design products and sell them at a good profit and really make some good money online. And the second platform I want to show you is called Teachable.com, and this is a website where you can actually sell courses. So now I'm pretty sure any of you watching this are at least good at something, whether you can have a passion for anything, whether it's, for example, in my case, I create websites. It could be cooking, it could be tutorials on how to do maths homework, or tutoring, whatever it may be, even perhaps how to drive a car, that sort of thing. Whatever it may be, there's literally a million different topics. And on a platform like this, you can make thousands of dollars through a YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, this really goes hand in hand quite nicely. So for example, you might be very good at cooking, for example, and if you want to get some extra knowledge on a cooking course, what you can do is you can go to google.com and go and Google free cooking course, for example, and you can see here on the first page, and this applies with anything, whether it's cooking, tuition, academics, whatever it may be, and you will find some information on Google that you can turn into a course. So you can see, for example, on Google, this Google page here, free online cooking class. So if I open up this web page, you can actually see there's a download button for a PDF file on the cooking class here. So what you can do is you can make a video on this PDF cooking class, maybe make a couple of words into your own words, and then what you can do is you can go onto Teachable.com, upload your video course, and start selling and make some really good money online. And the next platform I want to show you is called Flipper.com, and here you can basically buy websites, online e-commerce stores, domains, and basically resell them and make some really good profit. I mean, you can see some of the websites that are listed here: Stock Reports, PassionBeautyCare.com, making a net profit of $1,200 per month. So you can see here, for example, I'm browsing a couple of digital assets ranging from domains to online businesses to management systems and all of that sort of content. So for example, let's take this second website here, PassionBeautyCare.com. You can see that they are making a net profit of $1,200 per month. Their minimum bidding price is $1, and their maximum buy it now price is nearly $2,000. So I mean, if you think about it, if you buy this website, all right, at $1,900, which is their maximum asking price, it could be less. You could put in a bid that's a lot less, that could potentially win. 1.5 months, and then after that, you're going to be making $1,200 per month profit just through this website. So what you can do is you can go have a look at the website, maybe improve some pictures, descriptions, and improve the general look and attraction of the website, and you can then resell this website back on flipper.com at a much higher price. So for example, this one going for $1,900. There are other ones on here that are a lot cheaper, like $10, $20, but this one's expensive because the website itself is making a lot of money. So as I say, you can upgrade the website a bit, maybe go and sell it at $3,000 on Flipper. And as I say, this is really a great way to make money, but it is going to require a little bit of spending to get started. But as the saying goes, in order to make money, you need to spend money. So if you go to the flipper.com website, you can go filter through all the domains and websites, and you can see $50, $49, $21, $16. So I mean, here you can see some of the cheaper websites. So what you can do is you can see this smilefashions.com is a premium women's fashion dropship store, and the domain, and you can see this domain is valued at $1,500. So I mean, selling on Flipper for only $21, you can go and buy this domain and go and sell it for much more and make a lot of profit. So really go and look on this website, see what there is to offer, have a look at the description, what the value of the domain is or the website, see what the selling price is, and try and determine your profits and maybe go for some of the best ones. And fourthly, I want to show you clickbank.com, and I'm pretty sure you've heard of this before. It's quite a popular one, and this is a great platform for beginners in the affiliate marketing industry and marketplace. And basically this is a platform where there are thousands and thousands of different products within various categories, ranging from arts, computers, e-commerce, education. There's anything on here, and basically you can go into this platform very similar to Amazon Associates, select a whole bunch of different products that you want to promote, whether it's on your own website, through a YouTube channel, or whatever sort of advertising campaign you have, and make some money through affiliates. And you get your own special link where people click on that link, and then the sales made on that link, you get commissions for that sale. So you can go through the various different categories, whatever niche you may be in. So for example, if you're reviewing technology phones, you can go to the technology tab and start promoting these products through your YouTube videos while actually reviewing these products. So if you go to the top right, there's a little search bar, it'll show the top rated products. So you can see there's like fat belly products, some woodworking products as well, and you can see the average sale. So you can make like $38 on this sale, $56 on this sale. It's just an average that it gives you, $47, $39. So as I say, it's just really a nice way to promote some products, and you don't need to carry any sort of stock, and you get some really good commissions on this website. And I know that on YouTube there are YouTubers that are making between 5 and 6 figures income using the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. So this is really a great way to get involved in the affiliate marketing industry. And then fifthly is a very handy way to make money online is through a platform called Gumroad.com, and this is very similar to Teachable.com, but instead of selling actual courses, this is a great platform to sell digital files such as PDF files, Word documents. So a good example in a lot of my videos, so if I go to one of my videos, you can see I make a lot of documents with regarding to the topic of my video. So for example, in the video I made 4 new and secret ways to learn and accomplish skills. I made a nice document on this. So I can basically turn this Word document into a PDF file, upload it to Gumroad and sell it for like $1 or $2 through a link. So I can basically go to my video and say in the description or in the video itself, and guys, if you want this file, you can click on the link down below, for example, and it will take them to this file where they will spend $1 or $2 to unlock this file and be able to keep it for themselves. And Gumroad pays directly straight to your PayPal account. It's linked to your PayPal email. So this is a international website, whatever currency you are perhaps accepting, and you can start selling on the top right tab. Basically upload your file, maybe a picture of it, set its price, and that sort of thing, and then your viewers will click on the link to this product where they enter their card or payment information, and that's when that money gets straight to your PayPal account and they are able to download the file that you were offering. And then fifthly is the Amazon Affiliates program, and I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of this before. It's one of the oldest and most popular ways of making money online, but we all know the Amazon store. It's one of the world's largest e-commerce stores that have millions of products. So your product range that you can sell, all the different products, is infinite. Your categories are infinite, your niche is infinite. So it's really a great way to attract anyone who's into maybe beauty, technology. The categories are really infinite. And how this works is when you sign up on the Amazon Affiliates program, you basically get your own special link, and when people click on this link and buy something on the Amazon store, you basically get a commission for this. So it's just a matter of creating your account, sharing this link through your social media, whether you review products or any sort of channel on YouTube. You can sell or promote your links there, get a whole bunch of sales and commissions through the Amazon Affiliates program. And then one of my favorite ones, which I said in the beginning, is a great way to make between $100 and $500 per day through this platform, is Duda.co. Now, Duda.co is a platform where you can make mobile optimized websites. So you're probably thinking, how on earth am I going to make money through making mobile optimized websites? Maybe you're thinking, am I going to sell something? Which you actually can, or am I actually going to make these mobile websites? And maybe you're thinking, I've got no knowledge at all how to build a mobile optimized website, or I've got no clients. But don't stress, I'm going to show you and cover it all for you. So the nice thing about Duda, they actually give you already made templates. So if you go to the website, you can go to the templates tab, go see templates, and you can see a whole bunch of templates within different niches. So for example, electricians, corporate events, builder restaurants, musician, churches, winery, or anything. You also got a blank page, personal coaching. It's really infinite. So what you can do is you can select a template, edit it, maybe put your client's logo on it, add 1 or 2 pictures from Google that are non-copyright. And it's a problem that a lot of businesses and clients have, is that they have a beautiful and stunning desktop website, but when it comes to the mobile, their mobile website completely looks horrible and unoptimized. So this is a great way to solve those problems for these businesses and really make some good money. And another secret that I want to share with you is, instead of making between $100 and $500 charging once off for a mobile website, charge monthly subscriptions through PayPal. Go sign up with a PayPal account and go set up your subscriptions. And what you do is you charge like $10 a month instead of $100 once off. So now what you're doing is you're not only getting income, but you're getting residual income from your old clients and your new clients. So these templates are automatically already optimized for mobile use. So what you can do is, as I say, just select a template and start designing. And you can see they've got a laptop view, tablet view, and a mobile view. So you can see what they look like on the 3 different types of devices. And as I say, you don't need any coding knowledge or skills or knowledge at all. It's just a matter of dragging, dropping some text, some pictures, some bullet points, buttons that are already made on this platform for you. I mean, you can see how professional these look. I mean, this musician one, Kai, together we have Faith Winery landing page. They look really, really professional. So you can go to the website duda.co, go to the top right, click login or start free trial, and get started with your websites and start making some money online. So what you can do is you can go to Facebook, or you can actually go to the business's desktop website itself. You can go to the support or contact page and say, hey, I see you have a beautiful desktop website, but if I go to your mobile page, it looks completely unoptimized, and I specialize in creating mobile optimized websites. I usually charge between $100 or $500 per project, or as I say, between $10 and $50 per month, for example, hosting included, and basically send that off to the business or that Facebook group and see what responses you get. And maybe what I suggest is create a couple of templates through this that you can actually show some of your work to these businesses, and they can actually see, hey, this guy or lady creates really good work. They're definitely worth the investment. And if you are perhaps in the web design industry, you will know that $100 to $300 per website is pretty cheap. So for example, I am a specialist in web development, mobile development, and that sort of thing, and I charge between 50 and 500 euros per month for a project. And as I say, I like to go on monthly subscriptions because it brings in that residual income instead of charging once off for a project. So guys, comment down below what your favorite platform is. Mine is definitely dudo.co. Obviously I love web development and server hosting and that sort of industry. So as I say, comment down below, leave a like if you enjoyed this video. I will really appreciate it. And if you're looking to make some money online or work from home jobs or motivation in your business, or even you want to boost your social media presence, whether it's through Facebook, growing your YouTube channel, getting more views, subscribers, likes and watch hours, subscribe to the channel to receive content on all of this. I make daily content on this specific niche, growing online, how to succeed online and that sort of thing. But until then, take care and I'll see you in my next video.